Hello everyone, welcome back in my video. In last video we have demonstrated some tools in Avogadro software used for the geometry optimization. Now in this video we will have practice on how to auto optimization tool in Avogadro software. The geometry of a molecule determines many of its physical and chemical properties. This is why it is very important that we understand the geometry of a molecule. The objective of a geometry optimization is to find the point at which the energy is at minimum, because this is where the molecule is most stable and most likely to be found in nature. The Avogadro software has developed an advanced molecular editor and visualizer designed for cross-platform use in computational chemistry, molecular modeling, bioinformatics and material science. Now, optimization of molecular geometry through molecular mechanics. So, using auto optimization tool, Avogadro optimizes the molecular geometry through molecular mechanics, and this can be done by manipulating bond angle, bond length and dihedral angle so that the molecule acquire a geometry with minimum possible energy. Now we are going to discuss the functional form. So we have some type of potential energy function and force, as we have already learned in our school classes. The force is the first derivative of this potential energy. So F equals to minus du upon dr. So the basic functional form of potential energy in molecular mechanics includes bonded terms for interactions of atoms and that are linked by covalent bonds, and non-bonded terms that describe the long range electrostatic and van der Waals forces. So we have a equation. So the total energy E total will be the sum of the energy of bonded terms and non-bonded terms, and this bonded term energy is basically the sum of three types of energies. One is the bond stretching, second is the bond angle, third is the dihedral angle, and non-bonded energy comes from the two terms, one from the electrostatic interaction energy and second is the van der Waals energy. Now we have a energy function in the form of a potential energy and it is given by UR. So first term is basically representing the stretching of the bond and it is a bonded term, and the second term is, this one is representing the bond angle, and this term basically representing the dihedral angle, and the rest two terms are basically unbonded term. One is the contribution of the van der Waals correction and second is the electrostatic interactions of the molecules. So these all five terms are basically collectively give us the potential energy function, and by differentiating this potential energy function we can determine the force field. When you click on auto optimization tool, you will find these options. First drop down menu is the force field. Force field is basically the mechanism through which potential energy can be minimized. So there are four different options are available in force field. First one is GAFF, basically general Amber force field. Then MMFF94, it is basically designed by Merck and known as Merck molecular force field. S stands for static. Then UFF basically stands for the universal force field. Now we have second drop down menu where you can select the algorithm. So four algorithms are basically available. First, general or simple is the steepest descent, then conjugate gradients, then molecular dynamics are available in 3 different variants. Now, first we will have idea about what is a force field. In molecular dynamics, a molecule is described as a series of charged points linked by springs. Here charge points will be atoms and springs behave as a bonds. So, to describe the time evolution of bond lengths, bond angles and torsion, also the non-bonding van der Waals and electrostatic interactions between atoms, one uses a force field. The force field is a collection of equations and associated constants designed to reproduce molecular geometry and selected properties of the tested structures. So, different type of force field that we have in Avogadro software. So, very first is the UFF, universal force field. So, UFF is capable of reproducing the most structural features across the periodic table, does well with inorganic materials and organometallic materials. Next is the general Amber force field, GAFF, and it is often used for optimizing the geometries of drugs. And MMFF 94 and 94S, basically the Merck molecular force field, and they are designed by Merck and both use the same functional form to calculate the potential energy, and S stands for the static charge. And the last one is the Gamical, and this force field is basically good with the organic molecule. So, we are going to draw one molecule. So, we will first click on draw tool and carbon is already selected with adjust hydrogen. So, I am going to click on display unit. One carbon molecule, methane molecule is created. Now, I am dragging this carbon and connecting this carbon to, yes, this is now cyclohexane. Geometry of this cyclohexane is not optimized. So, we will first click on auto optimization tool. So, there are two drop down menus. One is force field, in which you have 5 different options available, which we have already discussed. So, we are going to select Merck molecular force field 94 and steepest descent algorithm for optimizing this molecule. So, I am going to start this auto optimization by clicking this one. You are now watching 2 parameters are changing fastly. First one is the total energy and second is the change in energy. So, it will continue until this change in energy will be 0. So, wait for some seconds. Yeah, it is now dE equals to 0. So, our auto optimization is complete. So, we will stop from here. Do not forget to stop this auto optimization. Now, click on the navigation tool and let us rotate this molecule. Yeah, now this is a perfectly chair form. So, this was the example of the auto optimization by using the Avogadro software. Now, let us the example of 1,2-dichloroethane. In the figure you can see the dihedral angle. So, the dihedral angle is forming between this chlorine carbon chlorine atom, and it is around 60 degree. So, From this curve you can determine the local minimas at the 60 degree, around 60 degree and 300 degree, and one global minima is at around 180 degree in the transpositions. In addition to these Gaussian conformation isomers, we are having also the saddle points corresponding to the eclipsed conformations. We will draw the 1,2-dichloroethane by selecting the drawing tool, which we have discussed right now. So carbon is already selected. Click on display unit, drag this carbon. So 1,2-dichloroethane, we have to select the chlorine atom from this drop down menu, and now I am replacing one hydrogen atom by this chlorine and this one. So this is my 1,2-dichloroethane. First we will optimize the geometry by clicking on the auto optimization tool. So now click on the start button and it is optimized. So first click on the navigation tool. I will navigate it. Yeah. Now this is in perfect trans conformation, as we have already seen in the last slide. In this case we have global minima. So from this position we can change by selecting the first, we will stop this auto optimization tool and going to the navigation button and rotate this molecule. Now select the bond centric manipulation tool and click on this bond. Bond is clicked. Now rotate this chlorine atom. Yeah, it is now rotated. Now we will first measure the dihedral angle. So click on this chlorine, carbon, carbon and chlorine atom. So you can see that the dihedral angle is 97.7 degree. So whenever the dihedral angle is less than 120 degree and more than 0 degree, then it will be in the Gauss conformation, and when the dihedral angle is more than 120 degree, it will be in the trans conformation. So you can optimize this geometry by clicking on the auto optimization tool. So click and select the Merck molecular force field, and algorithm is steepest descent technique, and start the auto optimization. Wait for just seconds. You can see the change in the dihedral angle from here, and watch carefully. Now the change in the energy is 0 and dihedral angle is around 69.9 degree. So if I first I have to stop this, then go to the navigation button and navigate this atom. Yeah, now you can see the Gaussian conformation from this figure. So by using the auto optimization tool, you can define the local minima or global minima, and you can change the geometry also. So thank you for watching this video. You can write your query in the comment box. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.